The big banks have got a lot of issues to contend with. We've nailed it down to 5. Let's go through some true or false with the smart guys in the market. Omkar, true or false? Will we see another round of capital raisings among the banks in the next 12 months?
Probably partially true, in that capital is probably a concern, but the banks might actually be able to get there through underwritten DRPs rather than outright capital raising.
True. As we get more clarity around the Basel regulations towards the end of this calendar year, it'll be clear that they'll have to raise more capital.
False. Though partially true, with the capital raisings we may see, will be stealth capital raisings. That'll be through the DRP.
True or false? ANZ will be the only one of the big 4 banks that will have to cut its dividend.
False. They all have the same issues, both cyclical and structural, so I think all banks will have to go.
False. And look, ANZ's already taken the medicine, it's good to see, but the others still have more pain ahead.
Absolutely false. There's no way that NAB can maintain their dividend. The only reason why they maintained in the first half was they did some courageous moves on their bad debt charges.
Bad and doubtful debts, historical lows, true or false? They'll go up over the next 12 months.
Undeniably, they're going up over the next 12 months. We were at multi-decade lows, it's going up.
True. We're at cyclical lows, around 17 bips, which edged up around 21 bips. That should be towards 35, 40 bips, so true.
True. All the banks actually saw their watch list loans go up in this period, so yes.
True or false? Bank profitability has peaked for this cycle.
False. I think the profits will increase over time, but just not the rate we've seen over the past 5 years.
No, false. And really, earnings growth is going to become harder from here, but it's probably not the end of profits.
Definitely not. They'll increase, but they're not going to increase at the same rate that we've seen over the last 5 years.
Okay, true or false? Will we look back in 3 years' time and say 2016 was a cracking time to buy bank stocks?
False. The key reason is that there's still a lot of headwinds going for the banks, and so no, don't think it's a good time to buy them.
False. The banks will have will improve their profitability, but there's probably easier ways in the market to make money. They're going to be constrained on how fast they can grow over the next 3 years.
True. If they raise capital, I think it'll be a great time to buy the banks.